Their incredible size, speed, power, and complex learning. Ocean's top predator. Scientifically known as Orcinus orca, commonly called killer whales. Here at SeaWorld, we call them Katina, Nalani, Malia, Trua, and Micaiah, our killer whale family. The whales learn to trust us. They even learn to take an active role in their own health and well-being. Now, one of the first healthcare behaviors we train the whales is to offer a voluntary blood sample. As you can see, the whales are trained to roll ventral and present their tails to their trainers. Now, not only does this give us a great look at the whale's entire body, but it also gives us access to the blood vessels, which are easily seen on the white undersides of their tail flukes. Our veterinarians collect a blood sample at least once a month that we have in one of our adjacent pools. Now, this little guy over here hanging out with Stacy, this is Micaiah. He weighs in right around 3,800 pounds. Now, big man on this side hanging out with Amy is Trua. And Trua's right around 6,000 pounds.
Wow.
You'll notice that the portion of their bodies, from their dorsal fins to their tail flukes, is in the water right now. That is the powerhouse of the whale. And out of the water. Training this posture enables us to ensure accuracy so that we know the younger whales are growing properly and that the older whales are maintaining a healthy weight.
And the care isn't just physical. Mental stimulation and play.
All right, Mac, you're watching them, all right? They're going to be the leader and you're going to follow. Here we go. He's watching. Ready, team? Go for it. Hands up. Big wave. I think he's got it. Take a look at Micaiah. Great job, you guys. Go ahead and sit down. Very well done. All right, he's making his way down to the bottom of the pool. Watch over at stage. Here he comes as he jumps up and out of the water. Research and observation of the killer whales in our care has shed light on many mysteries about these amazing animals.
Oh, whoa, whoa. We will see. Hold on, here they come. Oh, well, he's powering himself, though.